Step back in time to the heart of ancient Anuradhapura to uncover the secrets of the Kutum Pokuna, or the Twin Ponds. Built between the 6th and 9th centuries, these stunning granite structures are far more than just bathing pools. They are a testament to the incredible hydraulic engineering of the ancient Sinhalese civilization. Join me as we explore the sophisticated filtration systems, precise stone masonry, and serene atmosphere of this ancient monastic complex. From the intricate carvings to the genius water management that still fascinates historians today, discover why these pools remain one of the finest bathing complexes of the ancient world. If you love history, architecture, and hidden travel gems, this journey is for you.